Welcome to AutoNova Motorhome Class A 2026, your window into the future of travel, freedom, and luxury living on wheels. Today, we take you on a complete cinematic journey, every angle, every detail, every feature that makes the AutoNova 2026 Class A Motorhome not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle. Front view. The music swells as the front view of the motorhome fills the frame. From the front, the AutoNova 2026 makes a bold first impression. Its panoramic windshield stretches wide, offering commanding visibility of every road ahead. Sleek LED headlamps frame the aerodynamic grille, glowing like the eyes of a machine designed for both power and precision. The unique body color shifts with the light, blending artistry with engineering. Here is strength, confidence, and sophistication in motion. Left side view. The camera glides slowly along the left side, as the slide-outs begin to extend. On the left side, transformation takes place. At the push of a button, slide-outs expand, multiplying interior space and showcasing the AutoNova's flexibility. Panoramic windows invite natural light while keeping passengers connected with the landscapes beyond. Subtle chrome accents and flush-mounted design lines give the AutoNova a profile that is both modern and timeless. This is where elegance meets innovation. Right side view. A cut reveals the right side profile, focusing on the lower storage bays opening seamlessly. On the right side, functionality reveals itself. Hidden storage bays glide open with quiet precision, engineered to hold everything from sporting gear to travel essentials. Integrated running lights enhance safety, while the sculpted sidewall emphasizes movement even at rest. The AutoNova isn't only about luxury, it's about convenience designed with purpose. Interior walkthrough. The camera transitions inside through the wide entry door. Step inside, and the AutoNova 2026 greets you with a world of comfort. The cockpit is futuristic yet intuitive, leather captain chairs, digital displays, and a navigation hub that feels like the bridge of a modern starship. Behind, the living area unfolds into a spacious lounge. A sectional sofa embraces you, facing a widescreen smart TV mounted above a glowing fireplace. Soft LED ambient lighting traces the ceiling, creating an atmosphere both welcoming and refined. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, an induction cooktop, and a smart refrigerator redefine what's possible in a motorhome. A cozy dining booth rests beside a panoramic window, turning every meal into a scenic event. Technology, craftsmanship, and warmth merge into one seamless experience. Master bedroom. The walkthrough continues into the private quarters. At the end of the hall, the master bedroom invites rest and tranquility. A king-size bed dressed in premium linens anchors the space, while panoramic windows frame breathtaking views of wherever you've chosen to stop. Built-in wardrobes and storage mean long-term travel without compromise. Smart TV, mood lighting, and soft textures make this room a retreat worthy of the finest boutique hotels. Bathroom. The lens shifts to reveal the spa-inspired washroom. The bathroom elevates the travel experience to new heights. A glass-enclosed rainfall shower offers rejuvenation after long journeys. Quartz countertops and a modern sink reflect craftsmanship. Backlit mirrors, soft-close cabinetry, and heated flooring ensure no comfort is spared. This isn't just a motorhome bathroom, it's a private spa that travels with you. Rear view. The voiceover softens as the rear view of the motorhome comes into focus. From behind, the AutoNova carries its elegance forward. Sleek vertical LED taillights ensure visibility and style, while the integrated rear camera provides effortless maneuvering. Branding rests proudly across the back, subtle yet unmistakable. Even when departing, the AutoNova leaves a lasting impression. Top view. A drone shot soars above, revealing the roof. From above, the top view tells a story of innovation. Discrete solar panels shimmer, capturing the sun's energy for sustainable travel. Climate systems, skylights, and satellite connectivity integrate smoothly into the aerodynamic profile. Every inch of the roofline is optimized for off-grid independence without sacrificing design. Outro, final cinematic perspective. The final scene opens wide. The motorhome rests at the edge of a national park, bathed in golden sunset. And now, the Auto Nova 2026 in full technology, comfort, and beauty combined in a single masterpiece. It is more than a motorhome. It is a promise of freedom, of adventure, of luxury redefined for the road. Thank you for joining us here on Auto Nova Motorhome Class A 2026. Stay tuned for more walkthroughs, features, and journeys. Until next time, keep driving toward new horizons. The logo reappears, glowing softly as the screen fades to black.